y'all. Today we are making my honey ham. I am so excited for you all to join me on Vlogmas. I've been talking about Vlogmas on my beauty channel for at least a month and a half, okay? And now it's finally here. We're together every day and I'm really enjoying it. During this week of Vlogmas, I've been sharing some of my recipes that I cook every Christmas for my family, and today is no different. Today we're doing my honey ham. Just make sure you start off with a non-stick pan. Into your non-stick pan, you need 1/3 cup of brown sugar. I'm using light brown sugar. If you wanted to use dark brown, I suppose you could. I've never tried that. Light brown sugar is what I go for. And then 1/3 cup of honey. That's it, y'all. Right down in the pot. That's the recipe. That's the goodness that we're going to put on our ham. So from there, put the pot on the stove, use a medium heat, let the ingredients warm up, stir them together, let them chill out, get to know each other, and then we'll get it on the ham. This is just a low lip pan that I'm going to put the ham in. But first, I don't care for a lot of cleanup, okay? So we're gonna use foil. I'm just gonna line my pan with this foil. That will ensure we've got a very easy cleanup in the end. Please let me know down below. I would really love to know how you cook your ham. I always use a plastic oven bag for my ham. So to get the ham inside of your plastic bag, just fold down the sides of the plastic bag, just like that. So it started out, you know, a bag, and then I just rolled down the sides and opened it up like that, so you can easily put your ham inside. I'm gonna take the ham out of the plastic wrapping, rinse it off, because girl, we don't need all those juices and stuff that it comes with. So I want to show you how our brown sugar and honey mixture has been heated, and the mixture is nice and smooth. The sugar has been fully dissolved. So that's the glaze for our ham. We've got a 12-pound spiral cut ham that I'm going to go ahead and glaze with our mixture. I'm using this cute little brush to get the glaze all over the ham. The back portion of this ham is not spiral cut. The spirals are just in the front here, so we will give the most attention with our glaze to the front of the ham. So from here, I'm going to use some of the glaze and try to get in between as many slices as I can. You have to remember that this glaze is warm and you don't want to burn yourself, so this is a slow process. You want to do this very slowly, or you can skip this process of trying to get some of the glaze in between the slices. You can skip this process if you want to, because the glaze is warm. So we've got our glaze all over the ham. The next step and the last step before the oven is to take 1 cup of water and just pour it in the bottom of the bag. The oven safe bags come with this tie, so I'm going to just use that to seal the bag. I think I finally got it. Oh my goodness, it's so difficult. Surely they can come up with something better than that. We've got our ham all prepped for the oven. I've got my oven set at 300 degrees and I will cook this for 1 hour.